This message was transmitted by the request of the Ardmore Police Department. We have get information about people being found dead in their homes. This might be an unknown serial killer, but we asked all civilians to leave this area immediately. If you see the serial killer, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Ardmore Police Department. Everyone get to your homes immediately. An unknown creature has been spotted roaming around the streets of Ardmore. This creature is confirmed to be dangerous and should not be approached. It resembles a shading and darkening of its color with no outlines. Its eyes are gone and it has nostrils, and its mouth is enlarged, revealing realistic teeth. This creature is unknown at this time. All residents must stay away from this creature. If you see this creature, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation.
This is NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that the creature has been spotted roaming around the streets of Ardmore 2 hours ago, but we do not know where this creature come from or how it got here. Police are trying hard to take it down. This creature is confirmed to be hostile, and it can bite residences with its huge mouth. All residents must get into your homes immediately. If the creature breaks into your home, use a legal weapon and all means costs. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Ardmore Police Department. The creature, who had been reported to attacking civilians across Ardmore, is confirmed to be hostile as it can bite everything in its path. Also, this creature is confirmed to be the character from the game, The Sprunkus. The creature's name is Simon. Simon has been reported biting people's head by tearing them off. All residents of Ardmore must evacuate now. Lock all of your windows and doors. If Simon breaks into your home, use a legal weapon and call 911 immediately. If you got bitten by Simon, go to the hospital immediately. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Ardmore Police Department. A mandatory evacuation for the state of Oklahoma. The creature Simon from the game Sprunkus is going on a murderous rampage across Ardmore. He is confirmed to be breaking into people's homes and eating them. All residents of Ardmore must evacuate the city now. Seek shelter immediately until an all-clear signal. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
Welcome to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and we have some breaking news that the creature known as Simon from the game Sprunkus is attacking and eating residents in Ardmore. The police are trying hard to take it down, but it's too powerful. All residents in Ardmore must stay in your homes until the creature is captured. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off. Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson and we have some breaking news that Simon is still on the loose in Ardmore. The police are calling the military to try to take the creature down. We have some dead people who got attacked by Simon. We have a reporter Charlie to talk about what is going on. How is anything going on in Ardmore, Charlie?
I'm here in Ardmore, and it's completely deadly and chaos. There are some people running in panic while this creature, now known as Simon from the game Spunkiss, is attacking and eating in his path. The police had called the military to take him down. And I don't know how that Spunky got here. Oh no, I see Simon coming at me and now he's charging at me with his mouth opened. I need to leave this area now.
Oh my gosh, Simon just ate him. Anyways, all residents must stay away from Simon as he attacks you. That's all I have for. Wait a minute. Oh no, Simon had broken into the United States News. I need to get out of here.
Welcome back to NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that Simon had two reporters, Paul and Charlie. Well, I lock all of my doors and windows so Simon won't get in. Anyways, Simon has been gone way too far, as he continues his rampage across Ardmore. The police are trying hard to take down this creature, and the military are on their way to Ardmore. Hold on, I think Simon is doing something right now. All residents must stay in your shelters immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery power radio with extra batteries. Once you have everything ready, wait until this happens. Please remain calm and don't panic as Simon is about to do. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participate will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for National Emergency. The President of the United States or his destination represented over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We have interrupted your regular programming. America is under attack. I repeat, America is under attack. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast or cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House. To participate will follow activation of the emergency alert system during this emergency. Most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in signed areas. This is NBC, who will continue to cover the Ardmore area, if you're not a local area. Tune out stations provided news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system severing the Ardmore area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line will kept for the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Simon had cloned himself all around the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. These creatures are extremely dangerous and should not be approached. Also, multiple reports say that the cloned of Simon are attacking and eating everyone and breaking into people's homes. They also eat buildings as well. All residents of the United States, shelters in place immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery power radio with extra batteries. If you see Simon, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. The military had successfully killed all of the clones across the entire United States, except for the real Simon. He is still on the loose in Ardmore. Oh no. Simon is angry and he's going to take revenge on the military for killing his clones. Please remain calm as the military are trying to take this enraged creature down. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. We have bad news to the state of Ardmore. Simon has now grown into a giant monster. Simon is still enraged on what happened to his clones. He is now destroying buildings and eating everything in his path. The military had to call Godzilla to save Ardmore. All residents must evacuate the city now. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. Godzilla had successfully killed Simon, thanks to the military and Godzilla for saving Ardmore, all residents of the United States. You can get out of your shelters immediately. However, it could take a long time to repair the damage that Simon caused. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume.